Hey guys, Caleb Fox back in the video, and in this video I was going to be showing like how good I've gotten at wheelies, but as you can see, look at over there. Look at how dark it is. We have a extremely severe storm that might be getting ready to hit us. I don't really know. So I'm going to try and hurry up and do this video before it hits, because that looks pretty bad, I'm not going to lie. It's pretty dark, so yeah. But yeah, as I was saying, I learned how to actually do decent wheelies while like standing up and stuff, so I was just gonna show it, and I'm gonna try and hurry before the storm hits. I've been practicing like pretty much every single... Okay. This is not that good. This is bad. Yeah, look it over there. Dude. My dad just told me... Oh! I just got covered in mud. Bro, everything is flooded. I forgot. Yeah, everything's flooded right now. I want to go for a stand-up wheelie, but I also don't. But I can't even do it. I can't even go fast. This vlog's going to be like 2 seconds long because I'm going to have to freaking go back in. Oh, I'm getting messed up, bro. I'm taking off my shoe. Maybe I can get them. It's so wet. Alright. Hopefully I don't slip. Oh shoot. Dude. Oh my god. What the... Yo, this is like the worst possible conditions to be trying to do a video in. Yeah, look at that. Dude, look it over there. Holy crap. Okay, wait. Let me try and wheelie. As you can see, I do it on 1 foot now. Holy, that looks really bad. Hold up. Can you like see that? I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. How dark that is, but that's like a freaking shelf cloud, dude. I'll do like 2 more wheelies and then I'm getting the frick out of here, dude. That's what I saw. I would switch feet, but I don't know if I want to do all that, because I'm slipping around, bro. The storm in the background. Dang. Let's not hit the fence. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, that's coming towards me. Right there, look at that. Holy. That looks like circulation. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Oh, it's raining. One more wheelie. Oh my god, it's hitting. Dude. That blew my... Ooh, my gearbox is about to blow. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty bad. Alright, one more wheelie. Alright, we're gone. We're out. Move, little biscuit. This is not good, dude. Holy. Dude, that actually looks like circulation almost above me. Okay, we're back. It's like 20 minutes later probably, and it is still raining, but as you can see, there's blue sky over there, so I can finally freaking ride my quad. Holy. I'm definitely gonna get covered in water though. Okay, we are back. I gotta get my quad out of here. It should stop raining in like 2 minutes from what I've heard, hopefully. I don't even know where I'm gonna ride to. I think I'm gonna ride down the road. Down maybe to my grandpa's or something. Actually, I want to try and do a couple wheelies first. Yeah, look at that. All dark skies and then blue skies. I'm gonna go for a wheelie right now. Go for a little wheelie. far I can make it. That's about as far as I can go. I'm gonna try jumping one. Here we go. In the rain. Woo! Oh, I don't have my phone. I was gonna get a cool picture, but don't even have my freaking phone, bro. I'm just gonna try and do it. I wanna try and do a double foot one. Yeah, my shoe is too slippery. Okay, I'm gonna drive down the road real quick. Here we go. Dude, it's so wet. Ow, it like hurt. The rain hurt. Yeah, this is not a good idea. Dude, I don't know why I'm in a short sleeve shirt right now. It is so cold. It is literally 51 degrees outside right now. Yeah, look at how flooded this is. Yo, oh my god. Dude, I'm soaking wet. I might as well just drive through it. So much more. Okay, I'm going the freight back home. Holy. Oh, this was such a bad idea. It's a horrible idea. I'm out of here, dude. I'm soaking wet. Dude, it's so cold. Dude, there's rain. I don't think it's over, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my. Dude, I'm absolutely soaking wet. I might as well just freaking... Dude, my goggles are so messed up. I might as well just whip it at this point, bro. I'm already soaking wet. Well, I'm sliding. I'm absolutely soaked, dude. I can't really see anything. Oh, I gotta slow down. It's slippery. Okay, I gotta pull over for a second. Oh, dude, that was a bad idea. Look at this. Is my helmet? Is my GoPro good? Oh my god, bro! Look at this. I'm freaking soaking wet, bro. It's pouring rain. I thought it was supposed to stop. I was wrong, I guess. My quad is definitely smoking, dude. My goggles are so unbelievably freaking. I cannot see anything. Okay, I should drift. I can drift in the grass. What gear am I? I think I'm in second. The water's actually, the puddles are warm. The freaking rain is freezing, dude. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna go full throttle now. Oh, there's a little drift. Alright, we're going full throttle. I'm slowing down through here because it's slippery. Maybe it's a good thing I didn't have my phone. It would have been soaked right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Bro. Alright, I'm gonna whip it a little bit more and then I'm putting it away because it's freezing right now, dude. GoPro still working? It is. GoPro still works. Okay, alright. I'm gonna drive down the road again, and then come back and then whip it one more time and then I'll put it away. I can barely shift, bro, the shifter's I can barely get to it, bro. It's so muddy. Alright, this is probably a bad idea, but yo! Oh shoot, that's my turn. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh crap. Alright, here we go, lock the freaking. My throttle. Alright, time to whip it again. We're drifting. I'm turning. It's not turning. It's too slippery. Holy. I'm just freaking soaking wet right now. Dude, holy crap. Yeah, this quad, at least it did not get washed actually. Dude, it's not even close to getting washed. Dude, it's still raining. It's for like 15 minutes and it's still pouring rain. Like absolutely pouring still. Okay, there's mud all over the freaking camera, holy. That was the video. The video was supposed to be me doing wheelies. Ended up with me freaking whipping my quad, I guess. But yeah, that was the video. I hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Holy.